Hi, my name is Nabel Mohammed, and this is my climate change presentation. The crossbill is a genus Loxia of birds in the finch family with 6 species. Crossbill breeds in the spruce forest of North America, as well as Europe and Asia. Some population breeds in pine forest in certain areas of all the 3 continents. They specialize in lodgepole pine cone seeds. Their environment is changing as rising temperature and forest fires are melting the region and they are running out of resources. With just 4 days over 90 degrees, lodgepole cones shed their seeds. Extensive forest fires and outbreaks of pine reduces habitat and food availability. Red crossbill populations have declined by an estimated 12% since 1970. This data shows the annual number of acres burned in woodland fires from 1980 to 2018. In 1980, about 5 million acres burnt. In 1984, it was at its lowest, about 1 million acres burnt, and it started to get worse in the year 2000. In 2003, about 7 million acres burnt. In 2006, about 9 million acres burnt. And in 2018, about 9 million acres burnt. This graph shows the global temperature. In 2002, you don't really notice humidity, but in 2019 it's clear, especially in parts of Asia, Europe, and North America. Red crossbill do not adversely affect humans. Their predation on a conifer seeds could considerably impact forestry practices. It's up to us to save the crossbill. If we don't, it will be another bird that goes extinct. Red crossbill favor mature coniferous forests, especially spruce, pine, larch with corn crops. The expected future change for the environmental feature is not looking good. As the temperature is rising, the forest fire increasing is difficult for their survival. The humidity of the environment is a big reason why the resources are decreasing. The species might stand a chance if forest managers are willing to take steps to reduce the severity of fires and can identify and plant trees with cones that stays closed at a higher temperature. In conclusion, red crossbill eats seeds of spruce, pine, hemlock, larch. To obtain these seeds, they first grasp the cone with 1 foot. Red crossbill favor mature coniferous forests, especially spruce, larch with recent cone crops. Nests are built mostly by the female and are usually sited in the open rather than dense woodlands. Extensive forest fire and outbreaks of pine beetles may temporarily reduce habitat and food availability to red crossbills. And this is my citation page.